A savings account differs from a checking account in a couple different ways. One is that a checking account has unlimited transactions on it. As long as the funds are in the account, you can withdraw, deposit as many times as you like. You'll have a debit card attached to it so that you could use it for convenience at an ATM, make purchases wherever MasterCard is taken. A savings account is regulated by federal regulation to have only a certain number of transactions per month used on it. So we want to treat a savings account like a savings account. If you're using it for multiple transactions, it's actually a checking account. There are multiple ways to access your checking account to get funds out, whether that be at an ATM with your debit card, with using online banking, the mobile app. So our mobile app is very intuitive, where once you set up online banking and download the app on your phone, you can do pretty much anything you could do online with it. We'd be looking at a checking account for you called an extra credit checking at Virginia Credit Union, and that one acts and behaves very much like the regular checking that your parents probably have, only that it has a few extra benefits to it. It earns dividends, which is another word for interest. It also gives you the feature of having a free box of checks, should you need to write checks on your account. It also gives you what I call the get out of jail free card. So if you overdraw your account, we will, with no haggle, no questions asked, refund that fee back as a courtesy so that we can help you keep your account on track. Once you're working with one of our member service representatives, you will provide your driver's license or unexpired ID, whichever of those you have, and your social security number. If you don't know it or if you're not sure about it, it's safe to bring your card, but it's not a requirement to have the social security card as long as you know the number. The process from there is that the member service representative will ask you some questions about how you like to bank. If you've never opened a bank account before, they'll ask you about what kind of things you want to spend money on, and how you want to use your account. Would you like to have a debit card? Would you like to be able to use online banking services? Be able to have the online services on your phone? And they're gathering this information in order to help provide you with the products and services that will best fit your needs. And through that interview, you should be able to gather the knowledge that you need in order to feel successful and confident in banking. But the onus is also on you to ask questions, and that's what they're there to do, answer those questions for you.